Hello, this is Michael, real estate professional, and here is my brief video about the brand new townhouse community Mira Oasis by Mar. Mira Oasis is located on Al Qudra Road, away from city noise. It takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to reach Mall of the Emirates, 25 to 30 minutes to reach Dubai Mall. There are 10 different types of layouts, they call them A, B, C, D, and etc. And here I'm showing the layout J. It's a 3-bedroom layout, 2,562 square feet. As you can see on the video, on the ground floor we have spacious living room, U-shaped kitchen, we have study, we have maid's room, spacious storage, upstairs we have 3 bedrooms, one master bedroom with a balcony and the walk-in wardrobe, we have a bath tube there as well. And another 2 bedrooms are connected with Jack and Jill bathroom. For those who doesn't know, the Jack and Jill is the bathroom which you can walk through from one bedroom to another. Like all Mar communities, the Mira Oasis has got great facilities. As you can see, there is parks, there is kids play areas, there is swimming pools, gyms and other facilities for active lifestyle. Hamptons International is the part of Mar Properties Group. We specialize on this developer and we do open house. If you would like to see any villas alive, WhatsApp me or give me a call and you can come and see it every Friday and Saturday.